Breezy and mild today. It's going to be windy and much colder coming up tomorrow. High wind warning starts at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, continues until 5 p.m. So the worst wind will be after the morning commute and then should be dying down just as the evening commute is getting underway tomorrow. Here in the metro area, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts on the eastern plains, hurricane force wind of 80-mile-per-hour gusts possible. And then in the foothills, we could have triple-digit wind gusts tomorrow of 100 miles per hour. Interstate 70 above Genesee. Highway 285 above Morrison, the peak-to-peak highway. Estes Park up toward Red Feather Lakes. That's where the strongest wind will be. I mentioned we're in the 60s downtown Denver. Look how much cooler it is up along the South Platte River Valley. Larry and Brush reporting 38, and he points out it's much cooler over there in Morgan County than it is over here in the metro area. And again, that's all because of mixing. In areas that we've had enough wind, it's much warmer. Areas where there's been a little wind with a cold start to the day, it is much cooler. Again, for most of us, where we are right now is about as warm as it will get today. 40s for most mountain towns, a couple of 50s showing up on the western slope. And look at this, 70s in southeast Colorado this afternoon. Tomorrow, much cooler, although for a December cold front, honestly, it's not going to be that cold. What's going to make it feel really cold tomorrow is the wind. You can see all the clouds moving up from the southwest. Those clouds ahead of a big storm system that is in California. They're just getting soaked with rain. San Diego, LA, up into Santa Barbara, and that's where the storm is right now. Very close to Santa Barbara. Look how fast this thing moves. It goes from Southern California all the way up into Minnesota by the end of the day tomorrow. So it's going to travel a couple thousand miles over about 24 to 36 hours. That is a fast-moving system. So it's going to hit hard, it's going to hit fast, and it's going to get out of here just as quickly as it arrives. So we got 1 day of snow tomorrow, and that's it for the mountains. The snow is going to gradually move north throughout the high country overnight tonight and into tomorrow. For Denver, we have one chance for a quick rain or snow shower tomorrow morning. That would be it. There's actually a little better chance for getting a few showers on the eastern plains farther away from the downslope. That's going to work hard to keep us dry tomorrow. But even though we're going to miss most of the moisture in Denver, we're certainly going to get the wind here in town. All the accumulating snow stays in the mountains. We're looking at about 4 to 10 inches of snow on average. Some spots will get more than that. We do have a winter weather advisory that starts at 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, continues until 8 p.m. tomorrow. That is the I-70 corridor from Georgetown over to Avon, and then higher amounts expected down here in the San Juans. There's actually a winter storm warning there for more than a foot of snow, and of course the wind's going to be an issue in the mountains, causing a lot of blowing snow and making travel very difficult. So we do expect impacts from this storm throughout the state. The biggest impacts in the mountains, but here along the Front Range, we have to watch for downed trees, spotty power outages, and blowing dust tomorrow. That's how serious this wind's going to be. After that, we warm up a little bit. Thursday, 54, back down to the 40s Friday, 50s on Saturday. Same thing for the Broncos at Mile High Sunday afternoon. Michelle?
All right, Ashton, thank you.